Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram private account not switching to public account. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Instagram application, tap on Instagram application. Again click on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix Instagram private account not switching to public account. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram apps latest version. You make sure your Instagram apps is updated. Step 3. Restart your phone and reopen it. Step 4. Again open your Instagram apps, tap on profile picture, tap on 3 line, scroll down, click on account privacy, then tap on private account. You make sure you can follow all of the steps to fix private account not switching to public account. Tap on switch to public. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.